I'm here today at Seminole Park, which is a City of Jacksonville park on the banks of the Ortega River. And I want to show you a plant that everyone should learn to identify. And I want you to see it just as it naturally occurs out in the wild, instead of a picture of it on a website somewhere or in a book. So here's the plant that I'm talking about, and it's poison ivy. This thing right here with the 3 leaves. You'll notice a lot of times the stem is kind of a dark, kind of a reddish color. Here's some more over here that shows that. 3 leaves. Sometimes you'll see little teeth or serrated edges on the leaves, especially on these 2 outer leaves. And it grows as a plant along the ground. There's some more of it. It also grows as a vine. This is poison ivy growing up this cypress tree. All the way up there. All the way up there is poison ivy. Here it is up close with its 3 leaves. These right here have a lot of serrated edges, or the teeth. A plant that is sometimes mistaken for poison ivy is this plant right here, which I've heard called Virginia creeper. It has toothy leaves also, but it has 5 of them. And there's no problem in touching Virginia creeper. Touching poison ivy will very likely give you a very uncomfortable rash, an itchy rash. Here's another little clump of it on the ground. I'm going to turn this off, walk to a different part of the park, and turn it back on, and we'll see how different poison ivy can look from plant to plant. Okay, down here by the water is a palm tree, and there's a vine growing on this palm tree, which is also poison ivy. See, the vine is way in there, this thick woody part, and it's got branches that stick way out. And there are the 3 leaves. Here's another example of it. This one's even got some berries on it. And over here on this tree, another cypress tree, is more of it. You can see how long and skinny those leaves are without any serrated edges at all. But all that is still poison ivy. There's some really dark ones and some lighter green ones that are the new growth on this vine.